Hi. Have you ever wondered why people are always saying to never use public Wi-Fi? Well, in today's video, I'll demonstrate how an attacker can use Wireshark to capture your login credentials. Let's begin. To start, we will open Wireshark. Wireshark is an open source packet analyzer, which is a tool that can monitor network traffic. For the case of this demonstration, we will use the loopback interface, but in most cases you will use either Etho or WLAN. Next, I will open up two websites I have prepared for this demonstration. The source code for both of them will be in my GitHub, linked in the description. Next, we'll log in with some credentials. After logging in, you can see that some traffic has been generated. To filter out some noise, we can use the HTTP authorization filter. And open this, go over here, and we can see that the username is admin and my password is ilovepbsc. Another thing attackers can utilize is the cookies. If we go over here, we can see that the session ID for this user is 1. To verify, we can go over here to storage, and the value is 1 over here as well. To show how attackers can abuse this is if we reset this to 0, reload the page, and use a different username. This time we'll use Justin. And if we go to the cookies again, we'll see that the value is now 2. If we switch this to 1 and reload the page, we're now logged in as admin again. To fix some of these issues, I have created a second website that utilizes a self-signed SSL cert. So if we go to this website, stop this capture, and open a new one, clear the filter over here, and try to log in. We can see that traffic has been generated again, but now it's all encrypted due to the SSL cert. So if we try to use the HTTP filter from before, you can see that none of the packets are here now. What this essentially means is that attackers cannot view your login credentials if you use a SSL cert. And an improvement I have made in this website is the logout button. This is important to prevent the abuse of cookies. So if we try to log into a different user and log in, oops, we go to here. So we see that the session ID is 2, but if we try to switch it to 1 and refresh, we will not be logged in as the admin. Due to this is why a bunch of banking sites automatically log you out to prevent cookie abuse. In addition to creating more complicated cookies besides just the number 1 or 2. Although a lot of websites today utilize SSL encryption, one place that I noticed that doesn't have it enabled by default are within router admin login pages. To fix this, hopefully your router has an option to enable SSL encryption, but if not, your best bet would be to purchase a newer, more modern router. The other place that I notice that is usually unencrypted are within self-hosted web applications, such as Pi-hole and Home Assistant. The methods for enabling SSL encryption may vary, so Google would be your best bet to figuring out how to enable it. An alternative to SSL encryption would be to use a VPN to encrypt your credentials. By using a VPN, your login credentials would be encrypted through the VPN tunnel, preventing the use of Wireshark, as demonstrated in my video today. Well, I hope you guys have learned something new today. Thank you for your time and watching. Until next time.